Our names are Matt and Ashley. We would like to introduce ourselves and our channel to y'all. First things first, we met in South Florida while Ashley was in college. Matt asked Ashley to dance one night, and it was love at the first two steps. For the first 2 years of dating, we traveled back and forth visiting each other, trying to spend as much time together as we could for being so far apart from each other. Then, everything changed once Ashley graduated college from Florida Atlantic University in 2016. Since then, we have been traveling all over the country together for Matt's job. Now let me introduce you to Matt's son, Drew. Drew lives in Arkansas with his mom most of the time and spends the summer months with us. Y'all may be wondering how we travel the country. Well, we do it with our home on wheels. We live in a fifth wheel travel trailer, so home is wherever we park it. We all love doing activities outside, like fishing, watching college football, zip lining, kayaking, you name it. Living this lifestyle has been one adventure after another, getting to see so many places in our great country. Our last and smallest crew member is Lucy, our Yorkie puppy dog, who loves adventures just as much as we do. Now the main reason for our channel is this beauty, our 1973 41-foot Columbia sailboat, with the perfect name, New Beginning. Ashley, being from Florida, has always loved the salt life, and once Matt and Drew got a taste of it, they wanted more. So one day in June of 2018, we went and looked at New Beginning and decided to buy a sailboat. This channel is all about our new adventures on New Beginning. From learning how to sail, fixing her kinks, and traveling the Florida waters and the Caribbean. We hope y'all join us in what is sure to be a very interesting new beginning for us all. Thank y'all for watching. Please stay tuned for our first episode of Sailing New Beginning. And don't forget to like, share, and if you want to say hello, comment below.